99% of people who say they are cybersecurity experts can't even perform a basic ARP poisoning or spoofing. Hello guys, my name is Eric from Vathos Technologies. Today, I will show you how this works. Okay, so this is live and it's a step-by-step tutorial. All right, quickly, let's dive in. All right, I have my Kali machine. As you can see, I'm using my Kali Linux here. So another thing I'm using is that I'm using 4 devices here right now. So I have my Android, iPhone, and my 2 laptops. Right. So I'm using my Android laptop, my Android hotspot. I'm sharing hotspot with my Android. So I'm connected. All the other devices are connected to my Android hotspot. All right. Okay. So we actually have 3 devices that are using one network right now. All right. So let us dive in. Actually, there are 2 tools you can use to do this. There are 2 tools you can use. The one is the old version and the other one is the new version. So the old version, let's quickly try it out. Let's just explore it a little bit before we can dive into the new version. So this is the old version, Bettercap. So when you open it, you say you put your password. I've forgotten what I put here. So you put your password. Bettercap is going to open. As you can see, this is Bettercap. So the first thing you do here is to click this accept button. Once you click it, tell you that starting unified sniffing. All right, so it's now sniffing all the network that are connected into your Wi-Fi. This is why it's very, very bad to use a public network, because if you're using a public network, a hacker, just like I'm doing now, can intercept all your network traffic. And there are some people that also make payment with public Wi-Fi. It's very vitally wrong. All right. So you don't have to use that. You go to hotel, you connect it to a public Wi-Fi, hotel Wi-Fi, or airport Wi-Fi. That is bad. And a hacker can stand as a man in the middle and intercept all your network traffic. All right. So let's check all the hosts, all the networks that are connected right now. So you can go to scan for host. So you scan for host. As you can see, it's scanning right now. It told us that's 4 hosts added to the list. So I have added all the hosts that are connected on my network. Imagine if a random user just connected to this my network now. I have scanned his or her host, right? All right, so you can now go to the host. You click on this, go to the host, click on host list. When you click on host list, you can see all the hosts that are connected to your network. Wow, this is wonderful. So you can see this one is my my other laptop IP. This one is my, I think, iPhone or something, and they are also showing their MAC hardware. This is wonderful, guys. It's wonderful. So I can now say I want to target my other PC now. So you can say add target. So which is add to first target. This one is add to second target. All right, they have been targeted. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my man in the middle menu, which is to select the kind of attack I want to use. So I want to use ARP Poisoning, which is address resolution protocol. I believe you know what that means. All right. All right. So okay, when I come to this place, I'll check mark sniff remote connections. So it is check marked by default. So I'm going to check mark all this one because I want to intercept everything that is going on my other PC. All right. My Victis machine. So I want to intercept everything that's going on my Victis machine. So right now, whatever I do with my other pieces now is going to appear in this place. Any website I open, all the traffics are going to appear in this place. All right. So, but this is not the app. This is not the tool we want to use. We want to use the beta version of this tool, which is Bettercap. All right. So let me cancel this. All right. You can try this. You can explore this tool on your own. This is so wonderful, which is every cybersecurity professional is supposed to know how to use these tools. All right, so let me open the other one. Let me cancel this thing. So let me open my terminal. Let me zoom in. So let me say sudo Bettercap. Then I specify the interface, which is this guy. All right. If you don't have this Bettercap installed, you can just say sudo apt install Bettercap. All right. Sudo apt install Bettercap. Sudo apt install Bettercap. All right, let me put my password. So it will be installed for you. So right now, I want to probe my network to know all the hosts are connected to my network, just like we did with Ettercap. So let me do that. So the command we use here is net.probe. Net.probe. So I will say on. All right. Net.probe on. So as you can see, it has been dictated all the hosts that are connected to my network. As you can see, the IP address and their MAC addresses. So that is wonderful. So the next thing to do now, I want to display these guys. So let me say net.show so that we can be able to, analyze this. So net.show. Net.show, as you can see, these are all the networks that are connected, all right, to my network. These are all the hosts that are connected. As you can see, this is the vendor and the rest of them. So I want to target one of these IP addresses now. All right. So let us target one of these IP addresses. So let us target this guy, which is my second PC. So to do that, let me say, so you say set, you say app dot spoof, right? Dot spoof dot target. So you specify the IP address, which is 192.168.43.64. So you click on OK. So this is the target machine right now. This is the target machine. So you click on OK. So the next thing you're going to do is app dot what dot spoof. You say on, so that you can be able to. So as you can see, it say enabling forwarding. So whatever I do with this, with the other PC now, we are going to intercept all the traffic in this place. So the next thing to do is that we will say net dot sniff on. All right. So now I want to open my other PC now. All right. So I want to open my other PC and just open a random website. So once I do that, you see everything will start coming up. As you can see, everything is now coming up. These are what I just opened a random website and all the traffic in that website just coming up. As you can see, I'm just intercepting. As you can see, I'm just intercepting. As you can see, it's even provided all the links. Oh my God, this is crazy. It even provided all the links. So let me just, as you can see, it's just intercepting everything I'm doing right now. And this is crazy. So guys, this is how hackers intercept your network. So if I leave it like this, it's going to keep intercepting whatever I'm doing with my other PC. All right. So this is why it's not good to connect to a public Wi-Fi, because a hacker can perform ARP poisoning or man-in-the-middle attack to intercept all your network traffic. So if I keep, as you can see, it's still coming in. All the traffic is still coming in. So this is just a basic ARP poison or spoof, and it's already eye-opening. All right. So imagine what you will learn if you take cybersecurity serious. At Vathos Technologies, we don't just talk, all right? We train with real tools. As you can see, all the network are still coming on. Please, guys, just don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you can see, it's still, if I leave it like this, whatever I'm doing on my system, keep coming in here. All right, guys. So I will see you in our next training. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in our next video.